能形容呢樣嘢。
好難形容呢樣嘢。放鬆啊！香港嚟啊？香港朋友，多謝你哦，咁遠嚟。
睇咗你哋嗰條好耐。
睇咗 YouTube 好耐啊！
好多朋友都講咗。
好多。好，OK， 而家 OK 冇
？OK。
頭先嚇親你少少啦，而家仲有嗰隻感覺。OK， 而家可以打側瞓起身。好，請坐啊。係啦。我有少少緊啊。對電腦多啊。呢度啦，手指牽手指，係啦，放住呢度。Very good， 瞓晒落腳啊。吸氣，吸氣。
哦，还有我们这里有 live 的。
企身一下，向嗰邊。放鬆啊！呢度啊，啱啦。碟請坐一下。啊，係咪咁樣先？啱啦，同埋呢度。啱啦。比較鬆朗。
有啲彎唔到啊！啊，算好啊，先至翻啲數啲規矩啊。
好點？而家
跟住啊，我先好啊咪，
有時手麻痹，
有時
手麻痹，
呢腳麻痹啊。
打側瞓一咁啊赤赤地。
點樣起身啊？平時點樣起床？點樣起身？我睇你手。
So if
你有幾個方法起身？兩個啊？幾個有兩個，我睇兩個起身。
MBS and resale. So if this one finish, then you can inform who's in charge.
咁犀利
Cindy.
哇！呢個打翻睇啊！打翻睇啊！都犀利啲啊！唔啱啊！咁啊嗱，你睇如果你都好有問題係嘛？我唔會睇條廣告啊！我教你唔錯啊！整個打上車，
好，請坐一下。
係啱啦，啱。唔寫啦，
但係
簡單嘢啊，落個
而家仲有鼻毛，
唔使掂到地，
有時啊，
攞你個手撳住之後，係咪容易啲咧？
但係其實唔可以多重嘢咁樣。
知道。
知道啊？好，而家幫你敷藥先啦。香港朋友。
有舒服啲嘛啲？我做啊。How you feel？鬆啲嘛啲？我幫你調啊，重新啊，成都邊度啊，就卡好聽啊，都調咗位置係咪？有幾樣嘢冇錯，第一係咪？你嘅頸椎你冇自己扭喎，冇自己扭嘅，所以
兩個星期我就全部先，我全部係先壓豆類，然後呢啲包佢啊苦瓜。
Hey guys, good morning. This is Vijay here. Today I've been in Midway. Patients out Thank you.
你唔可以坐。
你講咩意思？
我哋爬樹但有彎都唔好做啦嚇，你爬樹但有彎咯。 飯店有一個坐平嘅，可以用嗰個平嘅，有一個輪椅啊，梳化啲唔好坐太多啦，梳化都要扶多啲。不如思考係啦，有啲唔可以沉啦，沉係太好㗎啦。當年你嘅情況咧，你係而家差唔多4、5年後，你可以開始行 OK 啦。呢個禮拜休息，如果成日我休息，因為一齊咁多。Rest of 2-3 days，我帶住我嘅，好點樣都帶住坐幾多好啊？你腳可以咁樣。你踩單車有啊？係啦，可以喐下腳先嚇。我一唔好單拖。唔得啦，唔可以做拖法唔過啦。做OK 啦，唔好做食嘢啦。梳化點樣都要沉，你個旁邊人冇得啦。我喺度坐成日，冇問題。嚟啊，做開條威啊，叻我。所以而家用埋8粒鐘。如果你覺得沉啊，4粒鐘就嗰個嘢喺個背行同埋攞乜？
Just relax. It's finished meeting.
咩事啊？
No worries, no worries.
Eyes closed, mouth closed, don't bite your tongue lah.
Judo.
Let go of that.
Yeah.
Take low back.
Yeah.
That's the intended one.
It's on and off. So how long have you been at match? Is it because of that?
Start the what? You have to feel how it feels then. First time. It's a new sensation. Sit down. One very, very bad. If you like get up like that, your lower back and your neck are like this. So every day you should get up to this side leg first. That one is what I don't know. Okay, so it's like this, okay? Complete. Your both legs go down and push inside.
There's no sound.
Yes. That way you don't use your spine. Understand? That one is a better way to get up.
Yeah, but you wake up and the first thing in the morning, you wake up for the last like that.
It's a habit, but just to let you know that one is not good.
拉盲機吧。
How you feel?
標誌。
No.
呢度好啲嘅呢個。
Trigger out pain.
得你冇用嘅，係啦，冇用。
Just now you said you feel.
我有時就冇力，
I've been bothering you for maybe just saw.
So still got that.
啲捱夜嘛，唔使啦。
So you need a spasm, but cannot be
stretching. 其實他人哋講搞 neck stretching 我係搞 do some neck stretching, stop staying up so late, coffee, tea, ice stop. Okay? Do more neck stretching, use the 大把嚇，你要我嚇。Okay?
So do I have to eat the medication?
What kind of sleep normally? You sleep late, your whole body will be actually.
Okay, just lose your legs.
Yeah. So you need to change your lifestyle, man.
Oh, darling.
Oh!
I just told you now. What next? Towel? Do you have accessory? Towel?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, these 2 weeks, these few days, you're not supposed to go massage, exercise. Yeah, no coffee, no tea, no ice for 1 month. Don't worry, man. Yeah, you sleep late. No, don't worry, man. Stop doing all this stretching. You're not supposed to go there. We just really no massage, no exercise. Okay? Sit behind.
Yes, and take a big one. And go down and move.
Listen to it, man.
Okay, thank you.
Because I listened already before told you. So okay.
Yeah, I will come back every time. No problem, we can always come back here. Maybe in a few months time.
So if you feel this one is diabetes because it takes that. The most important is
Maybe coffee. Oh, soya also cannot.
Now goes.
Chill water.
Yeah.
How you feel now?
Much more better.
Try I want double check one more time. Face down.
Raise now.
不要全部讲全部不要找一些，找一些你再找，我刚给你看好了。我脾气不好，找我。Because if not, then problem. Yeah.
Relax. There, little bit. Listen. Go higher. Go a little higher. Okay. No, 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 no. Relax, relax.
Okay, good.
Good.
Now no more the cracking sound already.
Feel better?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, you not enough sleep,
Please
right?
down.
You stop sleeping so that.
Yeah.
There's way more.
Not sleep more, sleep.
Okay.
So this one is number patch. Number patch I will put on the
Okay.
Shoulder black and lower back no issue, right?
Go back.
Yeah, neck and shoulder
this
black.
one 8 hours, huh?
This one like tiger balm.
Sorry?
The tiger balm type.
Something like that. This is our own.
Yeah.
No, it's much more stronger than Tiger Balm. Tiger Balm fresh, right?
Yes, that way. The posture also have to take care. The neck also have to take care. When you read something, don't read. Otherwise, you have to sleep. Sleep.
Yeah.
Relax. Just relax.
When she needs to come back from follow-up, yeah.
He's going back to Singapore this Sunday.
This Sunday you go back to Singapore.
Coming back end of this year.
Yeah, this year.
Then no leave,
Then it means that you won't be coming back anytime for follow-up, right? Then
Not
you,
so soon.
then you have to take care of your body, right? You cannot depend on us 100%.
Yeah, right.
So stop sleeping so late,
No coffee.
right? No coffee, no tea for 1 month, no ice, right? You can actually, if you want to feel better on this side, you can buy a monkey bar to hang. Or a monkey bar, squat down a bit, use your body weight to cook. You feel much more better this side.
Okay.
Right, and then at night, if sleep 2 hours before sleep, don't drink too much water. I don't want you to keep waking up to pee.
Oh, okay.
Right, that will disrupt your sleep also.
Usually don't wake up.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay?
Too tired after work.
Okay? What do you work as?
I work in Wonder Warehouse.
Do you sit most of the time or you need to carry stuff?
Depends.
Depends. Sometimes you need to carry stuff. Do you know how to carry stuff?
Squat down.
Squat down, right? Okay, very good. Okay, that's all.
Most of the time it's pulling.
Pulling?
Yeah, to pull down from the cargo container ship.
You need to pull.
I have to pull.
Right. Then don't so hard. Do some stretching, man. Sometimes you overpull also, you will stretch your shoulder.
Yeah, sure.
Your this side. No, more. It's hot. That's what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, alright.
Take long to release. Take long bits again. Release.
Sorry? Pressure ourselves so much. Just pace yourself. Some have some got it, some take longer. I'm just like 6 months or 1 year.
Now are you there?
2 years. I'm a slow learner.
Take long bit. Release.
Knowing where the surface and the teeny knowing exactly where the bone.
Okay,
That means
just stand up.
and the teeny.
Face up.
Not touching more inside. Experience. Experience.
Sit forward.
Love.
Sit forward. On your knees and feet.
You need what you need?
Towel, towel.
Towel.
Yeah. close your mouth.
放工啊，係差唔多我飛好玩。係攞嚟咯，唔多啊，因為我間有手。
Hold it and release.
我只係而家
Close, close your mouth.
每一天，
Yeah. Okay. Breathe out. Again, take it. Breathe out. Tuck, 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 tuck. Just that. What? Done. Let me quality. No, no, let me quality. Check it first. Check this, check this.
Alamak.
What's pending? Just check it. Already done.
So what's wrong with
Already done. He was having a lower backache and
Singapore How do they feel? Feel better? Went behind? Oh, that's right. Left, right, okay. Feel better? Feel better? Yeah, first one. How was it? So back kind of thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, we done the full body assessment for you. There are certain things that you can't do. Don't cross the leg. When you're sitting down in the office, do not cross the leg. Understand? When you cross the leg, yeah. No, even though up. Understand? Yeah, when you cross your hips, you walk, you will be up. Okay, don't carry any heavy stuff. These 2 weeks, no gym, no muscle. Okay? It's okay, feel better.
we will check it one more time.
No, I trust you, man. You say don't feel pain, don't need to try. Don't check. Then I check out. Okay, feel good, right? Okay. No worry. Don't worry. Unless you feel pain. Oh, okay, so you're always on this. Do neck stretching every day before summer. Oh, that was Pakistan. Oh, no, you can't do Pakistan. Anything that relates to nerve and neuro, can't. Yeah, okay. That's the thing. Normally we take small body, unless specifically tell us to call hash. Unless it's my name.
suddenly there was wait for a while.
Apa lah ya?
Yes. But you have to find new one. Hey guys, this was my thank you.
So just go to
Try to pull up fingers. See what you've done in 2 months. You want 1 month already, right? Don't tell me you don't see how to do that.
Yeah.
Just do it.
So ada juga diet list yang kena ikut. Bukan setakat double squats, you kena tolong racing makan juga. Yeah, so you need to use like consistency and then avoid whole food. And
Yeah, also go to rock already.
Yeah, Jimmy, where to be?
Okay.